If you're watching this right now, this video is for you. This is the easiest business model, the easiest thing to learn, no experience, anything needed. All I need you to do is pay close attention and take notes and take action on this call. You will literally become a freelance brand scaler after watching this video. This video is going to be breaking down exactly how to start freelance brand scaling the easiest way possible. So pay very close attention. Real quick, if you're stuck in a job that you hate, drowning in college work, or just tired of side hustles that never pay off, I put a free training together on exactly how I went from broke to helping brands scale and actually getting paid from doing it. And listen, make sure you're actually sitting down and taking notes because everything I'm showing you in this video matters. If you miss one piece, then the whole thing does not work. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So make sure you actually sit down, take notes, and do not miss a step. Now, before we dive in, I need to clear something up. I know what you're thinking. This is just another internet guru trying to sell me some get rich quick scheme. I get it. I get it. I get it. I used to think the same thing. But here's the truth. Most people online are selling garbage hustles that don't. But here's the truth. Most of these no. But here's the truth. Most people online are selling garbage hustles that they don't even do themselves. Drop shipping, FBA, crypto, whatever is trending. And I'm not here to feed you hype. I'm going to show you exactly what I do every single day to make a living. Are you stuck in a job or a degree path that you don't even like? Have you tried drop shipping or some hustle only to lose money on ads? Have you spent hours on YouTube tutorials that haven't even made you a single dollar online? Or have you felt like everyone else is moving forward and you're not moving forward and you're just moving behind? I know exactly how that feels. I remember being broke, frustrated, and watching other people flex on social media while I was eating ramen noodles for the third night in a row. And this made me feel like I wasn't built for entrepreneurship. But the truth is, the problem wasn't me. And it's not you either. It's the vehicle you're using, and that's why we're fixing it today. Here's the business model that changed my life: brand scaling. Instead of gambling money on ads, building a brand from scratch, or competing with millions of dropshippers, you help existing brands scale their business, and here's exactly how it works in simple terms. One, you find brands online already making money but stuck at a certain level. Two, you offer to help them grow using simple strategies anyone can learn. Three, they pay you a retainer or revenue share. Four, you deliver results using a proven system that already works. Five, you stack a few clients and suddenly you're making more than most jobs with financial freedom. There's no startup capital, no startup cost. There's no degree needed, no crazy tech skills, just the right strategies and the right work ethic. So if you're tired of the hype and want something real, this is it. Now, this isn't something fake. Let me actually show you some real results. OCO made $3,000 last month. Literally just joined last month. So he made $3,000 in his first month. Nate, in a few of these screenshots, signed his first client to now having over 5 clients within a month. And Jaden literally closed 2 clients in one single day. And these aren't some one-off miracles. This is exactly what happens when you follow the right systems that I give you. Now, I know what's running through your head, but I don't have any skills. Perfect. That means there's no bad habits that you have, and I'll teach you exactly step by step. What if I can't find clients? I'll give you my exact outreach system that works. Even if you're starting from zero, you're still going to be able to get clients within the first week. I don't have time. If you can put in I don't have time. If you can put in 5 to 10 hours a week, you can start this. You scale when you're ready, literally. But if you can't take 5 to 10 hours out your week to take your life to the next level, then you just don't want it bad enough. Isn't this saturated? There are over 500 million brands worldwide. Less than 1% have real help scaling them. So you can take advantage of the other 499 million brands. So here's exactly what I'm going to do for you. I built a free training where I break this down step by step. Inside you'll learn how to land your first paying client, not just your first client, but your first paying client. The exact skill set that brands pay thousands for, that you will be getting paid thousands for, and also how to build a consistent income stream even if you're in school or working right now. This is your shortcut. Instead of wasting years bouncing from side hustle to side hustle, this training gives you the blueprint that works today. So you've got two choices. Either keep trying random hustles that go nowhere, that literally taking you nowhere, or two, sit down, take notes, and watch this free training that could literally change your life and exactly where you are 6 months from now. All it takes is 6 months. And the training is free. It literally takes less than an hour, and if you apply it, this could be the thing to get you out of school debt, out of your job that you hate, and into a business that gives you real freedom. So click that button below, register, and I'll see you inside. Alright, so this is exactly why brand scaling is so easy. One, all you're going to do is pick a niche. So are you going to do e-com brands, local service-based businesses, or are you going to be doing digital products? You have to pick a niche first, build out an offer. Your offer has to be a guarantee towards the business. So for instance, for local businesses, what do they want? Customers. You guarantee them more customers, an X amount of customers that they want, that they will just give them an offer they can't say no to. Then you want to run ads, get results for them, of course. And when I say results, these are some examples. So as you can see on this day, this brand spent $30, but their product price is $300. So they got two website purchases. So they spent $14 to get a purchase of a $300 product. So they literally made $600 off of $30. That is just an example. And to get more clients, all you're going to want to do is literally just post content regarding the businesses you're going after. So if you're doing brands, you want to post brand information. If you're doing local businesses like landscaping, you want to give landscapers tips and things like that so they can trust you, because all you have to do is sound smarter than them. Literally, that's exactly why brand scaling is so easy. So you watching this right now can literally do this. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4-step process to being successful with brand scaling. That is literally it. So literally take these steps I just showed you and apply them and take action.